Duck coming into our left.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Ready, guys? Kill him. We got him. Kill him, guys, kill him. There we go. Heck yeah.
Watch your
coming
swing.
Over, coming over. Take a poke, take a poke. Shoot him. I'll run up and grab this. A little farther shot. More to the left. Ready, guys? Kill him!
More. Oh.
Yeah, they're coming. There we go.
Well, we're shooting some ducks, shooting some geese. Not as many ducks as we thought we would, but geese are starting to fly, so we're moving mojos. And it's looking pretty promising so far. I think we got probably 7 or 8 anchors and some ducks. Good wind. We're getting down and dirty. Two.
Another 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 are lower.
There we go.
Now they're coming.
Ready? Kill him, guys. Kill him, guys. More geese to the left.
couple miles.
Yep. That one wasn't belly up.
Look better with birds in your hand.
Yeah, good job, Riley.
What?
You did a fine job.
Blaine, can you give us a out of 10?
Do I have to rate it?
Yeah.
You got a crawl space. Some guys like the same age as me, they look like 90.
Yeah.
You got a creeper out there in his crawl space.
10.
You just retired.
We crawl over that hill. We just stay low, low, low. We'll come out my side and you guys go out your side. Just right over there.
That sling comes in handy.
What's that?
That sling comes in handy.
Where are we putting all of them?
You can toss them over here. Good idea. Yeah. Yeah. They're close.
Kill him, guys.
You missed that one up close?
My gun jammed. I got this one back here. My gun didn't cycle.
What's the minute between friends?
Count that.
What's that?
I said we're at about 1 minute right now. Somebody better call. 1 minute.
1 minute.
We got about 20 seconds. Kill.
Oh, yeah. I have never seen that many ducks drop in one flock.
That was an absolute rain out.
Yeah. Right in front.
Kill.
Okay.
I think everybody shot at that one. How many you guys got?
I have 2 hens and 3 drakes.
I got a hen.
Nice.
You guys allowed 2 hens per, right?
Yep. 2 hens, yeah. And 1 pintail.
Kill him.
How you doing, Sleepy?
Very cold.
Have you shot?
Have I shot?
Yeah.
The first flock, yeah. The first few.
Huh? You're just going through withdrawals. You got the shakes. I was shaking
Yeah,
pretty
things
good.
get
in my
ice
blood.
on them.
A little cold.
A little cold.
Did you have a bigger time of the month, or what's going on down there?
Oh no. Not from him.
Too many.
He's got ice on his chest. Means it's time to go home. I don't know what happened there.
Pretty bird.
Take the garden hose, it'll wash off.
Kill him, guys.
There we go.
I don't know what I got there, but the sun was right in my eye.
I know.
Did you poke one, Wayne?
He was playing the out there. Destroyed him. Well, it was one of them days, cold out, frost in the decoys. I think a lot of the birds flared away.
What birds did we have flare away?
We had a couple geese come in, gave them the old smackdown. I gave one a smackdown at about 90 yards, I think.
Oh, okay.
Couple
I hit
ducks.
one with the camera too.
Yeah, we killed one with the camera. But there's a rock by my blind that I used one on too. And we saw Bigfoot, so.
Yeah, that was not at all what happened today. But we did shoot. I bet we got like 10 ducks out of that first flock.
Something like that,
I think we shot like 10 mallards out of that first flock. We had like 9 shooters, so they went down pretty good. But after that, birds were pretty close in the roost and Didn't fly much. We had a few flocks trickle in, but I don't know. I don't know why they didn't fly. Good wind. Real cold though.
I think it's too cold. The ice is holding them down. Most of the birds are
There's
frozen.
no ice.
The birds were frozen the breast, so
Oh yeah.
they couldn't fly very good today.
Feet got stuck in the ice.
Yeah, there's a lot of ice out today. We think we got like 4 inches already so far.
Yeah. I don't know what he's talking about, but yeah, so that was how our morning went. You'll probably see yesterday's hunt and today's hunt all linked together. We had a decent weekend, filled the freezer a little bit more, so we're gonna pack up and get out of here.
We just put in like a figure of Bigfoot or something, kind of crossing the hill.
Why don't I just use the footage of us actually seeing it?
Oh. Do you want me to walk across the hill or something?
You'd probably be hairy enough to look like him.
Yeah.